how to move a text only horizontally or only vertically inside Premiere Pro. First, let's add the text. Click on this T, which is the type tool. Left click on your video, type in the text that you want, and here on the left side under edit we should have effect controls. If effect controls is not there, because you can accidentally close it, then open effect controls from window, effect controls. Under graphics we have text. Open that text with that arrow on the left side and close that source text, and under transform we have position, and those two numbers are moving that text on horizontal or on vertical. You can simply drag these numbers, hold down the left click on it and drag your mouse to the left or to the right, or even up and down, and it's also moving the text left, right. Okay, and the next number, that one is moving the text on vertical. So that's how to move a text only on horizontal or only on vertical inside Premiere Pro. There's a similar option here at video motion. If you open up motion, that also has a position with two numbers, and that also moves the text to the left or to the right and up and down. If you don't want that text anymore, then you can simply right click on your text and either use cut or clear. If you cut it out, it disappears from here and from there, but is present on the timeline, this pink one. So let's just delete that one also. Delete.